Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. Today is an awesome day and a special day because I finally received my package from my brother-in-law, which is the rose gold mushroom pendant. Now, this little fella was so hard to track down. So I actually asked my brother-in-law to check out the Pandora store the next time he was at the mall. And he did. And there was actually 2 of these pendants in the store. So he asked if I wanted it, and I said yes, and he had already bought it. So I am super ecstatic to actually share this unboxing with you. I've actually been waiting a very long time to get this one because I actually judged a book by its cover, which I don't usually do. But in the catalog, this charm actually looked like it was flat, like 2-dimensional. I didn't think that there would be any texture or anything really cool about it until I actually saw a couple of ladies do videos on it. And then I was like, oh my goodness, girl, what were you thinking? You should have bought that charm. So I am going to open this with you guys. I'm so excited. I just got it in the mail like 4 minutes ago. Okay. So let's get on with it. All right. First, we're just going to cut the edge of this cardboard thing. There we go. All right. So get that out of the way. I am super excited for this. I wonder how he wrapped it. That's the card. All right, let's get this out of here. And it came in its own little pouch. How awesome is that? All right, so first, oh, that's the end. Oh, and I finally get a receipt. First time I get a receipt in a little while. Okay, cool. All right. Now, all right, let's take a deep breath. And let's have a look. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, it's not in a plastic pouch. Where is it? All the way at the bottom. All right, I can't even look at it yet. All right, let's move this out of the way. Okay, so. All right, let's look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's much larger than I thought it would be. So let's do a close-up. All right. Wow. This is simply amazing. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I mean, it needs a little bit of a polishing, but wow. Like seriously, ladies, I don't know if others did the silly decision that I made by totally ignoring this beauty. Wow. I'm actually very impressed. I actually love the bail. It's like IV or yeah, it's like IV branch. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that belongs on a fall bracelet. Wow. Now for the best part of this bracelet. Now, the focus is a little out, so let's try to refocus this in. Now, oh my goodness. So the CZs are actually clear and a bit golden. And this was my favorite part. Like Pandora, hello, nice to meet you. Wow. So it does say Pandora on the round bottom of the stem. I do have the ceiling lights on, so it's going to affect the clarity on my video. Wow, I absolutely love the bottom of the mushroom. Now that's That's texture. Like, seriously, ladies, when I was looking through the catalog, I honestly thought it was just flat, like this. Two-dimensional. Completely two-dimensional. And it's not. Wow. No wonder this sold out like stink. This, like, ladies, trust me, this sold out so fast. It sold out at my store. It sold out at actually 4 other stores that I had called. It sold out online. And it sold out online in New Zealand and Australia. So the fact that my brother-in-law found this at the store, I mean, okay, that store had just opened like about 30 days before I bought it. So I am actually speechless. Well, actually, I don't think me and speechless go hand in hand. But I am actually so impressed. Wow. Uh-oh, Pandora. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to have to go for the rose gold fall collection from last year. Oh no. That's going to cost. But wow. So again, this will look absolutely stunning on the O pendant. Sterling silver or rose gold. Or even on a sterling silver bracelet with the rose gold clasp. Or the rose gold T-bar bracelet. It will look good on everything. Absolutely everything. Except for shine. I wouldn't mix this with shine. Then again, why not? Wow. I am very impressed. Like, it's curvy. It's smooth. And you've got the texture on the bail. Like, that's simply divine. I mean, it needs a little bit of a polishing, but I mean, not a major polishing because it's really nice and smooth and shiny. The bail is actually super darling. Yeah. Wow. I mean, sorry, ladies. I should be talking a little bit more. But it's absolutely divine. Wow. So I am absolutely impressed. I mean, it took a while. This was mailed on the 17th last month. So it took about 30 days to get to me. But I am actually impressed. So again, we don't judge a book by its cover. Yeah, because I actually was interested in it and then I crossed it out. Because yes, ladies, I do cross out charms in my catalogs. So I can just focus on the ones that aren't X'd out. It's less distracting this way. But that was a major mistake on my part. This is absolutely stunning. When you asked me if I wanted 1 or 2, I should have said 2. Wow. And I actually got this little fella on sale. It was $60 New Zealand, but it was, no, I think it was 80 some dollars in New Zealand. And it was 60% off. So how could I resist? Really? Like, I'm sure all of you ladies would have jumped at that. Because rose gold doesn't really go on sale very often. Wow, I'm really impressed. And some of the CZs actually are recessed and some of them stick out. As you can see how I'm turning it, you can see some of them sticking out like here. And again, I'm not quite sure of the color. I think it's golden and clear. I'd have to get a closer look. I mean, it almost has a pinkish ochre color to the CZ. Alright, so we do have the Pandora at the bottom. Now I don't know if there's any other markings. I'm going to have to get a bit closer, ladies. Because all I see is Pandora. Usually you would have an MET. But, I mean, there's not many places you can put the MET. It might be inside the bail. Anyway, I'm going to have to take a closer look, and this is so beautiful. So let me just put it on here and rotate this. There we go. Sorry, I see my fingers a lot. And I'll take my fingers out so you can actually see with the white background what it looks like. Wow, I'm actually I'm really happy. Again, it's very hard to show it to you clear because the weather is really off today. Wow. All right, let's flip it the other way. Sorry, ladies. That is fine. So yeah, I actually did buy the iridescent, the rose gold iridescent Muranos. And I was actually thinking of selling them because when I got them, I felt like they were a bit too princessy. But I think I might actually keep them. So now the only ones I'm missing are the Muranos with the pink. I think it's like pink and clear. Gonna have to get my hands on that. And I still need to get my hands on the bracelet with the leaves clasp. But the size I'm looking for is hard to find because they did sell out pretty fast. Now I do believe the clips are available, but only in New Zealand. I haven't seen them on the Pandora, the Canadian e-store. I am so impressed. They could actually do this in sterling silver. They really could. They didn't have to do rose. But it goes with the rose gold fall theme bracelets or charms and all from last year. And I'm just impressed with the bottom. Anyway, ladies, if you didn't buy this one, I encourage you to seek high and low to locate it and to purchase it. Because, like I said, when I saw it in the catalog, I went meh, because it was so flat. I was expecting it to be like the sun and the butterfly. Those two pendants I was a little bit disappointed with. But this one, oh gosh, it's really gorgeous. They did a fantastic job. Well, I'm really happy that I got to share this moment with you guys, because I've been waiting impatiently to receive this little fella. Alright. I hope I was able to show you every side of this charm. And the bail. This is the bail, ladies. Sorry, my thumb is in the way. But it looks like twine. Or you know when the roots get all like knotted up? Or you have that mess of vines in the woods? Yeah, I'm highly impressed. And that's going to go on an enchanted or a fall theme bracelet. But I got a few more pieces to go. You really got to plan out your purchases because the Pandora, like I said, they're coming out with so many charms, and they're not leaving it or they're not making it available long enough for people to get their hands on. Okay? Because seriously, not everybody can actually spend a lot of money on Pandora. That's why I buy 80% pre-loved or 75% pre-loved, because it wouldn't be impossible to buy all of these retail. And me, usually I can't wait for a sale, because if I wait for a sale, then it's out of stock. I have the worst luck with when Pandora goes on sale. Wow. So ladies, if you like this video, click like. If you want more reviews and unboxing, let me know, because I actually love sharing this moment with you guys. So if you wish to subscribe, please do so. I would actually love it. And if you have any comments, please let me know. All right? I wish you guys a fantastic rest of your day. I won't be able to get rid of my smile. All right. Have a good one, guys. Or gals. XO.